Going to show you how to upload your thumbnails to your videos. I'm in the YouTube studio, logged into my account. I'm looking at the dashboard and I'm going to go over here and click to upload videos. I'm going to select the files. It's got a video right there. I'm going to put my title of video here. I'm going to enter in a description. And then down here where it says thumbnail, I want to upload a custom thumbnail. So I've got the thumbnails here. And you can see it here and you can see it over here, my all-time favorite beach tips. Then you fill out the rest of this, hit next. If you want to add subtitles, you can add an end screen, you can add cards, click next. It does a check for you, click next. You decide if you want this to be private, unlisted, public. You can schedule to print it or to post it later and hit publish. And that is how you add thumbnails to your videos.